Hey everyone, and welcome to another Carib Fusion video. So as you all know by now, Nick Cannon has made a movie called King of the Dancehall that premiered at the Toronto Film Festival in September this year, which had very good reviews. Many people know about the soundtrack of the movie, but not many people know what the storyline is. So that's what we're going to talk about. So whilst on set last year, he gave a slight insight as to what the film would be about, or some background into the storyline. So I'll play it now. So just, listen in.
We down here in Hellshot shooting. It's called King of the Dancehall. We making it happen. It's all live in living color. Storyline, an American cat like myself, comes from Brooklyn, has family in Jamaica, falls in love with the Jamaican and dancehall culture. Yeah, we got everyone. My man, Ninja Man was over there, Beenie Man, T.O.K., Cretia Turner, star-studded cast. Ky-marny Marley, Carl Bradshaw, and then of course, Whoopi Goldberg, Busta Rhymes. So many more. I can't even think of them all right. You gotta look for it. It'll be out soon. King of the Dancehall.
So something about that storyline reminds me of the movie Belly. I don't know if you've seen that, from 1998 with Naz and DMX, where Ox took him to Jamaica to basically brush a man. But it was really raw. It kind of showed the dancehall scene, and they had people like Sean Paul in the film, Alexis, they had Mr. Vegas, and it gave up, even though it wasn't a feature of Jamaica per se, it wasn't a full movie about Jamaica. That little snapshot just showed, what the dancehall culture was out there. So I'm interested to see what this film is about. And I know there's going to be people out there saying, I don't understand why people are so hyped up about this film, because, we have Dancehall Queen, we have Third World Cup. Yes, we do. But those films are very old. Just to put it out there, I think absolutely we need another, Dancehall Queen Part 2, Part 3. We need it. Like, please, filmmakers, whoever's out there, we need it. Somebody jump on this. It will sell. We want to see it. So anybody who's a filmmaker who have the capacity to do it, Carib Fusion TV is begging you to create Dancehall Queen Part 2, Part 3, Part whatever. All right? Anyway, back to the film. I think it will be nice to see, how the film develops. And also, one of the things I'm looking forward to is for the film to really shine a spotlight on Jamaica and the talent. I mean, internationally, other people are using our culture, renaming it, rebranding it. So it would be nice if the film was able to shine that light and show the authenticity that is dancehall. Part of me is a little saddened that the film was not made by an actual Jamaican person. I think I would have, I'm going to see the film if it shows here, but a part of me kind of wishes that it was Jamaican owned, Jamaican, just whole brand Jamaica. I would have been much more happier. However, I'm happy to see, so many artists getting the opportunity to showcase their talent on the show, and also giving recognition to them, but also for the dancehall scene on a whole. So hopefully it will bring more international recognition. So that is it from me. As always, I am interested in hearing what you guys have to say. So let me know, do you think that this film is overhyped, or do you think that the reaction to it is appropriate? Also, what do you think? Do you think that it should have been perhaps Jamaicans making this film, or are you happy for what it is? Let me know in the section down below. Let me know what your thought is.